Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to create a Gmail account on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Gmail app. If you already have an account added, tap on your profile picture to access the account options. Tap on Add another account if you want to create an additional Gmail account. If you're setting up Gmail for the first time, you can continue with the Google Sign-in option. From the available account types, select Google and tap Continue to proceed with creating your new account. Tap Create Account and choose what the account will be used for, such as personal use or work or business. For this tutorial, select Personal Use. Enter your first and last name, then tap Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue setting up your account. Enter your date of birth and any other information Google asks for, then tap Next to continue. Continue following the on-screen instructions and provide the required information. Once the setup is complete, your new Gmail account will be created and added to your iPhone. And that's how you can create a Gmail account on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Gmail tutorials.